Do you ever wonder why schools never taught us how to get rich? Well, let us walk through this door together. Before we learn with secrets, like and subscribe. Thank you, future wealth builder. You are on your way. We learned algebra, Shakespeare, and the periodic table, but not how to make money work for us. Well, today that changes. Let's uncover 10 wealth secrets your teachers never mentioned, and maybe, just maybe, help you retire before your hair turns grey. Secret number 1. Wealth isn't about a big paycheck. A 6-figure income doesn't automatically make you rich. Managing your money does. It's not how much you make, it's how well you keep and grow it. Think of money as water. You can't build wealth if your bucket has holes. Secret number 2. Saving isn't enough anymore. Your bank account's interest rate is practically on life support. Inflation eats your money faster than you can say Starbucks latte. So don't just save. Invest in assets like stocks, index funds, or real estate. That's how your money multiplies while you sleep. Secret number 3. Financial literacy is your real superpower. Here's the thing. You can't win a game you don't understand. Most people fear money because it feels complicated. But when you learn the language, it stops being scary and starts being exciting. Know the difference between good debt and bad debt, how compound interest works, and why tax efficiency can save you thousands every year. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or listen to money podcasts on your drive. Every bit of financial knowledge adds fuel to your wealth engine. Secret number 4. Budgeting is your personal GPS. Think of your budget as Google Maps for your money. Without it, you're just driving blind, hoping to end up rich someday. When you track your spending, you'll realize how many tiny leaks drain your income. That $12 subscription, those random Amazon buys, they add up. Once you see where your money actually goes, you can redirect it to things that matter. Investing, saving, or finally taking that Bali trip guilt-free. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom and control. Secret number 5. Start saving early. Time is your secret weapon. Even $50 a month, invested consistently, can snowball into tens of thousands over time. The earlier you start, the harder compound interest works for you. Think of it as planting a money tree. The best time was yesterday. The second best is today. Secret number 6. Avoid bad debt like it's quicksand. Credit cards feel great until the 20% interest kicks in. If it doesn't make you money or grow in value, it's probably bad debt. Use credit wisely, not emotionally. Secret number 7. Diversify like a pro. Putting all your money in one place is like eating one food for the rest of your life. Boring and risky. Let's talk about 5 smart ways to diversify your money like a pro. 1. Mix up your investments. Don't bet everything on one stock or one company. Spread your cash across different assets: stocks, bonds, ETFs, and real estate. When one dips, another might rise, keeping your wealth steady. Add real assets. Invest in things you can actually see and touch, like property, land, or gold. These tend to hold value when markets get shaky, and real estate can even pay you rent while you sleep. Try digital investments. We live in a digital world, so explore smart, small positions in crypto, REITs, or online businesses. But remember, never go all in on one coin or trend. Balance is key. Build multiple income streams. Diversification isn't just about investing, it's about income too. Start a side hustle, freelance, or sell digital products. If one stream slows down, the others keep your wallet happy. Think global. Don't limit your money to one country. International stocks or global index funds give you exposure to new markets. So if one economy dips, another can lift you up. Diversification is your financial seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but when life swerves, it protects your future. Secret number 8. Think long-term. Everyone wants to get rich quick. But real wealth? It's built slowly. Think decades, not days, because steady growth always beats fast failure. Secret number 9. Network like your future depends on it. Your network is your net worth. Connect with people who talk about ideas and opportunities, not just weekend plans. The right connections can save you years of trial and error. Secret number 10. Give back. The wealthiest people all have one secret in common. They give. When you help others, you multiply your own success. Money creates impact, and that's the richest reward of all. In conclusion, so that's it. 10 wealth secrets schools never taught you. Wealth isn't luck. It's knowledge, patience, and consistency. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow in the background. Let's turn what school didn't teach into your biggest advantage. So, embrace the journey of financial growth, share what you've learned, and watch how your actions inspire others. Together we can cultivate not just individual prosperity, but also a flourishing community. Remember, this journey transcends mere numbers. It's about creating a lasting impact. Your financial success starts today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that bell, and join us for more smart money moves.